So hello guys, welcome to the new video. In this video, I have shared entire GATE CSE free resources for all the students who are preparing GATE examination. Okay, and you have to understand that why the requirement of coaching and not coaching. So in the coaching, everything will be spoon fed, like you just have to learn or you just have to study. But in the free resources, you have to do everything on your own. You have to find the different materials, you have to study it because you are learning it from the fee, and one guy is paying the fee, one is not paying the fee. So you have to understand the difference first of all. Okay, so another thing is whoever is preparing for free, so for them, consistency and discipline is the most important thing when it comes to the gate preparation, because whoever have the gate, whoever has taken the coaching, they will be end up in one telegram group or whatsapp community with the different students who are learning. But for with the free students, they have to do everything on your own. They have to see their consistency, their focus, their discipline, their doubt solving, their tests is like each and everything they have to do it on your own. But in the if you take a coaching scenario, each things will be given, right? So other than that, I will be listing each and everything. I have curated all of them. I will show you in a couple of minutes. But till then, if you want me to explain that how each things to be done in detail, like how to make the notes, how to give tests, how to analyze the marks, how to do each subject well, how to do revision, and any other thing, please ping me in the comment. I will be more than happy to make a video on it. Okay, so here is the sheet which I have made enough efforts to make it. Okay, and for your comfort, I have also made this beautiful website so that you can get each and everything. Okay, so whatever sheet and this website, whatever you want to use it, I will put both in the description. You can access it. Okay, so talking from this website, so first of all, uh, so each things are same, but it's in our website. Okay, so talking in the website, so here are my different handles: YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram. And now these are the NPTEL courses. Okay, so NPTEL courses are the high quality lectures from the IIT professors. Okay, so different IITs, IIT Bombay, Delhi, Madras. Those are so the courses are explained by the IIT professors, so you can watch them in the detail. Okay, so if I click in this link, you will get each and entire playlist. Okay, each and entire playlist. So these are the very good lectures, you can use it. Now if you don't get from one playlist, I have made another playlist also for OS and CM, because there are the multiple good teachers. Okay, so you can use it in according to your understanding. Okay, now going to the standard books. So these are the different standard books, like for each and every subject. So what you have to do is you have to you have to select it and you have to download it from the online. And see students, you are learning from the free resources. Okay, so one thing you have to understand is that you won't be getting a spoon feeding like coaching. Okay, so you have to learn each and everything by your own. So let's say if you don't get any concepts or any topic, so go to the subject, go to the each chapter which is relevant, and then from there read it, and you will understand each and everything. Okay, in that way only you have to go, because you have to understand you are learning from free. Okay, so these are the different books. So you see here that I have mentioned chapters also to make you ease, so you can uh, easily go through the chapters. You don't waste time also in exploring the different chapters. Okay, now uh, going to the YouTube playlist. So I have curated all the famous teachers and all the good teachers which are best in their own subject. Okay, so and also I have made multiple playlists. So and one thing is that some playlist also contains the crash course. Okay, because in the YouTube they won't give everything free. Okay, they will give crash course. So that's why I have created multiple resources. So same thing. If you don't get from one teacher, go to the another teacher. So there is no order like first one is the best, then second one, then third one. There is no like that. but it's a multiple playlist. So if you don't understand from one sir, so you can follow the another teacher. Okay. And yeah, so let's say for example in the data structure, these four playlists I have added. So these four playlists are entirely good. It's not like that I have made it just to put it like four numbers. These four means four best teachers in the data structure. C programming three playlist means best C programming playlist. Then the OS three playlist means best OS playlist. So it's like you can rely like that way. These are the best materials I have created from my experience over the past 2 years and over the different topics also which I have heard. So I have created all of them just for you guys. Okay. And yeah, so here I have told for the discrete mathematics engineering. So there are the two free lectures which are giving like Go classes is providing. So you can watch them. It's like they are the ultimate best. Like other than that, I won't say. But these are the ultimate best subjects which you can go from the so go to the Go classes link, and there you will get two courses which you can enroll and learn it. Okay. So these are the different playlists. So please go through this website and you can move here and there. Okay. Now talking about the study order. So there is no so talking about the study order. So there is no stuff like that. You have to do the foundation, then this, then this. But it's like first you have to do discrete mathematics and engineering mathematics parallelly aptitude. Then C data structure and algo. So you don't have to follow top to right, but you have to follow left to right. Okay, you have to must follow left to right order, but no, it's not necessary that you follow top to bottom. Okay, so first digital logic, then operating system, then COA, then TOC and CD, DBMS and CM. Okay. And here I recommend that, I recommend that whoever are new to this, like they are starting or they are thinking the preparation for the GATE 2027, I believe that you start early because pick two subjects at a time, pick any two subjects at a time, and you can study. Okay, so you have to parallelly study two subjects and do it. Okay, now these are the PYQs. So PYQs you can download here. It's like there is a there's a GitHub link and there is a two volume you can go through it. These are the best PYQs material I have found till now. So they have each and everything. Okay. From there, if you click on the questions, you will go to the gate of the website. From then you can see that multiple solutions have been answered by different users for one question. In that way, you can get multiple solutions for each question. Okay, from here, you can download the aptitude PDF only for aptitude. Okay, and you can practice the aptitude questions from this. Okay, now moving to the notes. So these are the different notes. So this is the Kayan Agarwal notes. Kayan is currently in IIT Nadia. So this is his note. This is the Ankur Gupta's note, and this is I think Priyan's note. So I got it from the online, and it have a good number of stars and rating. So I thought to let's just put it. Okay. Yeah, so these are the different resources which you can follow. And if you want me to explain that what will be the strategy for the free resources students, please ping me in the comment. And also you can suggest to me in which topic I should make the next video. Okay, I will be more than happy if you guys comment me in the YouTube. Okay. So I will put this link also in the description. I will put both the links, website link and sheet link. You guys can access and please share with each and everyone. Right? You can see that it requires too much efforts to create all the resources at the one place. Okay, so please show some love and please share as many friends as you know and whoever preparing for the GATE examination, also for the college examination. These subjects are very important. Okay, these are the standard subjects, standard CSE core subjects. So please share as much as you can. Okay.